Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Cell Phones and Accessories. We are uploading cell phones and accessories related goods frequently. In this video you will find FCC-approved, USA-based SureCall Fusion2Go 3.0 fleet vehicle cell signal booster for car, truck, and SUV, 5G/4G LTE, permanent NMO antenna, multi-user Verizon AT&T Sprint T-Mobile boosts. This video will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: product dimensions 4x9 by 9 inches. Item weight 1.5 pounds. ASIN B07RZHYJ2. Item model number SC Fusion2Go 3 NMO special features most powerful booster in rural areas. Other display features wireless. Color Fusion2Go fleet. Manufacturer SureCall. Date first available June 4, 2019.